A weekend burglary has left the Steve I Cafe staff looking for answers.
MTN's Don Fisher shows us how management is picking up the pieces even as they wonder about the community's safety.
Last weekend, the Steve I Cafe lived their worst fear.
Sunday morning when Barb, the owner, came in, she discovered that the back door had been broken into and the office had been broken into and the safe, all the money taken.
At first, Barb assumed one of the workers from the previous shift had not locked the door, but further evaluation showed the business had been broken into. Lanews says the attack appeared to be deliberate and nothing else was disturbed or missing. The cafe has been owned by Lanews' family for 18 years without any issues. Lanews says he would have never expected this to happen in a town he's known to be safe. Lanews and his family say they were absolutely stunned by this burglary and will now have to invest thousands into upgraded security so this doesn't happen again.
The sad thing is that money comes from really, really hard work. And I just want to ask people to be on the lookout for suspicious activity and report it. The money will get over that, but the sense of security, that's going to take a long time to rebuild.
In Stevensville, Don Fisher, MTN News.
If you have any information about the break-in, you're asked to call the Ravalli County Sheriff's Office at 375-4060. Well, weather-wise, we had another mild